This car may be heavy, but this car is freaking fast. Hey guys, it's Nate. Welcome back. So as you can see, we're doing a little bit of nighttime POV. Hopefully the quality on this is not too bad in nighttime, or at least there's enough street lights to make it watchable. We'll see what happens. I put this thing in track mode. Can you guess what song this is? Alright, if you guess that, put it down in the comments. I'll do it one more time. Alright, there you go. Alright, so if you think you figured it out, put it in the comments. Man, this minivan is flying. That's Mopar. Is it Mopar? Alright, coast looks clear. This car may be heavy, but this car is freaking fast. I tell you, one of the scariest things about this car is probably just getting used to how fast it is and how much power it is. Because I feel like at that point, when you're so used to this, you don't respect that power anymore, and that's when you get into trouble. Hey, I think you're really gonna like this next video. Make sure to click on it and I'll see you there.